The MTP Pro Field Tool is designed for use with an MTP Pro connector. The tool is sold separately and is needed to configure polarity and pin change in the field without removing the housing. The MTP Pro connector houses both a black key and a beige key. The exposed black key designates the factory configuration setting and aligns with polarity marks. Polarity of the MTP Pro connector can be reconfigured at any time after production through a simple and quick process using the MTP Pro Field Tool. First, locate the polarity change port and position the connector with the key up. Insert the connector into the port until it bottoms, and then withdraw the connector. The black key is now retracted into the housing, and the beige key is extracted on the opposite side. Pins can be reconfigured in the MTP Pro connector through an easy process using the MTP Pro Field Tool and Pin Exchanger. To install pins in the MTP Pro connector, first locate the pin change port on the MTP Pro Field Tool. The connector key can be faced either up or down during this process. Insert the connector into the pin change port until it latches into position. Turn the field tool around to the exchanger-only side. Using a pin exchanger with pins attached, insert the exchanger guides into the slots until the pin exchanger bottoms and an audible click is heard. Remove the pin exchanger, then remove the connector to confirm pin installation. To remove pins from the MTP Pro connector, first locate the pin change port on the MTP Pro Field Tool. The connector key can be faced either up or down during this process. Insert the connector into the pin change port until it latches into position. Turn the field tool around to the exchanger-only side. Using a pin exchanger without pins attached, insert the exchanger guides into the slots until the pin exchanger bottoms. The green gripper is required for use with the pin exchanger and field tool during the removal process of pins from an MTP Pro connector. There are two methods for installing the green gripper. To install from the side, position the green gripper vertical to the field tool with the open tip touching the field tool body. Slide the gripper onto the pin exchanger groove until they are center aligned. To install from the end, position the green gripper vertical to the field tool while aligning the green gripper in the center behind the pin exchanger. Push the gripper onto the pin exchanger and over the groove until the gripper bottoms. Squeeze the field tool black handles until fully compressed. This releases the pins from the retaining mechanism and is the only time that the black handles need to be compressed. While the handles are engaged, squeeze the gripper until the gripper ends touch, then pull the gripper out. This removes the pin exchanger along with the pins. Remove the MTP Pro connector to confirm pin removal. The pin exchanger can be stored either in the MTP Pro Field Tool handle or the pin exchanger storage tube. The exchangers are available in aqua to designate the multi-mode and single-mode grade pins, and yellow for the single-mode elite grade pins. Both aqua and yellow pin exchangers are also available without pins. Like the MTP Pro Field Tool, these pin exchangers are sold separately from the connector components and are only needed when reconfiguring the pins in the MTP Pro connector.